Every day and every minute we are preparing ourselves because we are living in a place that every second something might happen.
As you can see, like all the rubbish, and we just found, as we moved the rubbish away, we found a dead cat. So as you can see, it's not really perfect conditions for people to come in case of emergency, where they want refuge and they want peace and a clean place to sit at. So this is the job we do as Bridges for Peace, as volunteers for the municipality. This is why people come from Jerusalem, from all around the world, and they come to Karmiel to clean out the shelters and to make them nice.
I especially and the city of Karmiel, really we thank you from the bottom of our heart. For me, they are angels. What they did for Karmiel, for me, for the mayor of Karmiel, for the residents of Karmiel, is something that cannot be expressed in words. And really we appreciate everything that you are doing.